andito ang ating dalawang OFW from Middle East to Europe, guys, and Croatia. Okay? Just a quick interview, guys. Ambush interview. What you like most in Qatar and what you like most here? And what's the most good choice for you? English, Taglish, baka for our audience. Sige, for Filipino
audience. First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon at binigyan niya ako ng oportunidad na makapunta sa Qatar.
Okay.
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat din ako dahil nakarating ako ng Qatar kasi nagkaroon ako ng panibagong experience.
So what is your work there?
I'm working as a plumbing.
Plumber, okay. Yes, construction, okay. And plumber, then switch into?
Plumber, kuno.
And switch into?
And then
butcher.
Yes, yeah. As a butcher. And nagpapasalamat ako kasi kung hindi dahil sa Qatar, hindi ako makakarating dito. Okay. At hindi ko makahanap ang journey ko kung wala ang Qatar.
Okay.
I'm very thankful for stepping stone.
Okay, what can you say about those aspiring want to go here from different areas of the world? Okay, what can you say?
Some viewers.
Yes, to the aspiring OFW that want dream to come here or to Middle East or what?
Masasabi ko lang, tuloy lang, laban lang sa araw-araw at sabayan lang ng pray and then gawa. Kasi hindi matutupad ang wish mo kung wala kang gawa.
So kilos and then
pagsama, kailangan kasama ang kilos, gawa at una sa lahat is hilingin natin kay Lord na kung
okay. Okay, thank you kabayan. Later on for our next and long vlog for him. Bye! Bye!
Ciao!